Look at this. Edrych ar hyn. The Brecon Beacons National Park. Beautiful, isn't it? Hyfryd. Isn't it? Well, depends what you see, I suppose. What do they say? Beauty is truth. Well, look again. But this time with a few truths in mind. The kind that once known are hard to unsee. Nature? Natur? Well, yes. But more depleted here, inside the park, than out. Cwrlip, Gwennol Ddu, Llunoswerdd, Adfran. We've lost more than half than there were once before. And what about the people who live here? For whom this place is their cynefin, their pryd, their tir. Well, getting older, that's for sure. Even if the young want to stay, which lots do, many have to go. Few jobs, low pay, and homes of their own. Hard to come by. And the afonau, the veins of this place. Sluggish with nitrates, phosphates, and the whole area hooked on carbon, diesel, petrol, olew. Imagine though, dychmygwch, if it didn't have to be like that. If this place could be a different kind of park, parc gwahanol. If the loss of species, plants, could be reversed. Dychmygwch, these skies, twice as full with birds, their flights, their songs. And what if the darkness, the tywyllwch, was protected too, so our children might see nights thick with stars? Or if more carbon was captured here in the peat, the soil, the trees, than was emitted each year? Dychmygwch, just imagine if the health of our rivers was at the heart of all action, and their waters ran with life, not pollution. Or if the lives of our young were nurtured here through culture, homes, education, community. If this park, this fabric of people and place, could actually do what we've all talked about for so long, and finally let go of persistent growth and consumption to pioneer instead a greener kind of prosperity, one modelled on nature, of not just taking, but of giving back to. Ond rhoi nôl hefyd. A way of doing things that feels like the beginning of something, not the end of everything. Dychmygwch, imagine. Except, of course, you don't have to. Because all I've just said, it's already happening. Yma. And it'll carry on happening too, this renewal, this newid. If we don't just think it or watch it, but be it. Because isn't that what we do best here, yng Nghymru? Be small enough to dream big and turn vision into action. Like this, a new kind of national park. Not the Brecon Beacons National Park though, not anymore. No, this place has a new name now, or rather, an old one. Bannau Brycheiniog, an old name for a new way to be. A name from our past to take us into our future. Beautiful, isn't it?